The City of Frisco tests and sounds its outdoor warning sirens the first Wednesday of every month, right at noon. It's something people who live here are used to hearing. But as Frisco expands, the number of people unfamiliar with that sound also grows. For those new to the city, the other Wednesday test will be verbal only.
This is only a test.
And on planned testing days, if the skies are overcast and gray, the outdoor sirens will only sound for an emergency. The city's number of sirens has grown to 40 over the last 6 months.
Moved and upgraded 8 of those, and then we added 5 new ones to account for the increase in population here in the city.
And the sirens are strategically placed across the city. Plus, these outdoor sirens warn for more than tornadoes.
Those are the criteria: tornadoes, wind, and hail.
The sirens will also be sounded for winds more than 70 miles an hour and hail 1.25 inches or larger.
Those sirens are designed to be heard outside. Depending on where you live in the city, you may be able to hear those inside the building, in your home. They're designed to let people know that are outside to go inside.
They are used to alert people of severe storms moving through the area and to go somewhere safe and monitor the weather.
We always recommend that folks have a NOAA weather radio, and you can program those specific to your zip code. You can get that broadcast directly over the airwaves from the National Weather Service about what the threat is and where it's at.
Frisco residents can also sign up for Code Red. The city will send alerts by phone, email, and text to keep citizens informed of emergencies. You can learn more about Code Red and the outdoor warning sirens at friscotexas.gov/beprepared.